Model, 2013 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6 DY13UCH PS. Needs clutch slave cylinder. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 172541. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The clutch slave cylinder is leaking fluids, so will need replacing. Engine starts and sound perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.